Hi guys, today we are making a delicious paneer butter masala the easy way using a pressure cooker. Let's do it. Alright, let's start with the tomatoes. Cut them into big cubes like this. We are going to boil and blend them anyway, so don't worry too much about the shape. Let's start with the base. In a pressure cooker, I'm adding tomatoes, few cashews, 3 to 4 red chilies. We'll pressure cook this for just one whistle. After it cools down, blend them into a smooth paste. This is what's going to give our gravy that silky, creamy texture. Just finely chop the onions, smaller the better. Chop up the green chilies as fine or as spicy as you like. Now take the paneer slab and cut it into medium-sized cubes. In a pan, heat some oil. I'm adding a bit of turmeric, chili powder, salt, lightly sear the paneer cubes on all the sides. While searing, just to give it that extra flavor. Once they are golden, set them aside. Let's build a flavor. In the same pan, add a bit more oil, some garam masala, chopped onions, and salt. Add some green chili. Let the onions brown nicely, that's where the flavor is. Add some ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell disappears. Now it's time to add that beautiful tomato cashew puree. Add a little bit of water. Season it with salt, a pinch of sugar, more garam masala. Let this simmer slowly for about 15 to 20 minutes. You will see the oil start to separate. That's when you know it's ready. And for extra taste, never miss that secret ingredient, Kasuri methi. Add in your seared paneer cubes, stir gently, and let it simmer for another 3 to 5 minutes. The paneer will soak up all that amazing flavor. To finish it off, I'm adding a little bit butter, some fresh cream, chopped coriander. This is what gives it that classic restaurant style finish. And there you have it, the creamy flavorful paneer butter masala, perfect with naan, roti or even rice. For more such recipes, don't forget to like, share and follow for more recipes.